The Rutgers School of Health Professions is the encompassing umbrella of all the different programs here, like the PA program, the OT program, the PT program over Newark, and a bunch of other health-related programs.
The biggest thing I like about Rutgers is all of the different opportunities for learning.
State-of-the-art facilities.
The faculty is amazing here. They bring a lot of experience.
So you're able to form relationships with each other and your professors.
They're very reassuring and very supportive of all the students. You know, they really make you feel comfortable and make you feel like you belong here and that you're good enough to be here and succeed.
The School of Health Professions really puts an emphasis on patient care. New Jersey is such a diverse area. You get to work with so many different types of people. This is also an area that's known to have really huge hospitals and organizations that are great to get your field work in, internship, clinicals, stuff like that.
Access to several different departments within the School of Health Professions. So pulling in all that expertise is really quite valuable for my education, and that's why I chose to come here.
They always kind of create that environment of like, right now we're teaching you, but like soon we're gonna be working together in the field.
Every single part of the curriculum is really geared towards our future success.
I would definitely recommend the School of Health Professions here at Rutgers University to anyone who's interested in healthcare. The environment here makes you really want to succeed and be better at what you're doing, and that like there's always something you can learn and you can always grow as a person.
It was my dream school from the get-go.